Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a segment on the Strava application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and download the Strava application if you already have it, if you don't have it on your phone already. If you have it, that's really great, but if you don't, you'll need to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you do that, make sure to go and actually open the application if it's already downloaded, and once you do that, and if it's your first time, they'll actually ask you to log in into your account. Of course, if you already have an account, make sure to just log in into it. But if you don't, you'll have to go and create an account with one of the options that they give you. They give you the Facebook option, the Google option, and the email option. Choose whatever suits you. And of course, once you created your account or logged in into your account, you'll normally find yourself at the home option of the Strava application, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen. And of course, as we said, we would like to create a segment on the Strava application. So here, first of all, in this home option, you'll normally find like a recent segment that you posted, like posts, pictures, activity, manual activity, and of course, you can edit them by clicking at the post that you want to edit. Click at this three dots. You can edit or even delete. But what you said is we would like to create a segment. So of course, you can just go here and click at this plus option, add the home option, and you normally find here a post, photo, or even manual activity. So these three called segments on the Strava application. So choose whatever suits you. Let's say as an example, we would like to post a manual activity. We can here give it a title. So let's say as an example, run or 2 kilometer run. We can choose the activity. Of course, you have here a lot. Let me just choose run here. And of course, how many hours I run. Let's say 1 hour. How many miles or kilometers? Let's say 2. And if you want to add more details or pictures, you can. So for me, I'm just going to save. And if I refresh, I'll normally find my segment here. And as you can see, I just created my segment. So this was actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.